Alright guys, I just want to go over a few things I need to do to my dirt bikes here. This is my 2007 KTM XCw-f. I know it's old, but it's what I have for right now until I can get something different. Basically, has a new top end on it. The carburetor's off. I have to go get me a rebuild kit, which is on the way. I ordered mine through Sudco. They have a lot of carburetor parts for a lot of different machines, so I would recommend them. What else is going on here with my bike? I got some leaking fork seals. I'm gonna have to take care of that. You can see the oil coming out. I wiped it off up here a little bit, but the brakes are good. It bled. Just waiting on my parts to come in. Just a little maintenance stuff for spring, but other than that, everything on this bike is ready to go. And here's my 2000 YZ 125. Not a whole lot going on with it, but I snapped the bolt off in the swing arm, so I'm going to take that to work here to the shop and have it repaired and rethreaded. I have new bolts, and I also picked up some Pivot Works shock bearings. They're kind of shot, and that's where the bolt broke off. I got a few new bolts for that, for both sides. Repacked the bearings on my linkage and swing arm. So I need to get this bike here up and running. And I gotta take the shock off. I'm probably gonna do the bearings today and that, get that out of the way, get it ready for riding season. And over here is a 250R motor. It is going to be put into this frame, but since that motor's out of the four-wheeler 250R, I'm going to have to get some tabs welded here for the rear motor mount, since the three-wheeler came with a TRX 250 swing arm, so there's no other way to mount up the rear motor mounts other than welding tabs. It's a work in progress. These were the forks that came on it. As you can see, someone tried to grind them down so they could turn in the frame, but I got these off a guy in California through Facebook. Pretty good shape. And everything else is in here. I just need a lot of small parts for this build. It's gonna take me a while since I have other stuff going on other than fixing bikes. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to get ready for spring riding season coming up shortly. We got a lot of snow last night and the day before, and that's what I got to work with. So, alright, thanks for watching.